difficult in terms of job, because these days, if you don't have education, it's also part of it. The kind of job that you have will be limited. That's why we are trying to see how we focus on skills for widows. That's why we are sometimes, in terms of our advocacy, economically empowered. And I always tell every woman, nothing can stop you from getting to the highest position in this country except yourself. And the second thing that we do not to perpetuate poverty is education. That's why we are sending the children to school. Because the opportunity that you didn't have as a parent, we are hoping that we are able to provide this opportunity to your children.
We know that as women, one of the things that we are very good at, but which we are still lacking, is innovation, the ability to create, and also our ability to use technology in a much more effective and efficient way. And so this year's International Women's Day theme I focused on that. And it's good that AAAF is focusing on how we can use innovation and technology to address sexual and gender-based violence. So that means we need more innovation. That means we need more technology, to be able to reduce that kind of sexual harassment occurrences. Innovation and technology can help to quicken responses to gender-based violence. So these are innovations, these are technologies that have been helping to address the issue of gender-based violence. So this year's theme is very apt. It's necessary, it's something that we should all key into. We're in the life of becoming. So if we want to be celebrated, we want to eradicate sexual and gender-based violence, it is time to look at how we effectively use innovation and technology to our advantage as women.
No, you don't need to look only into the widows. I am telling you this from the bottom of my heart. There are some women that are widows alive. Their husbands are existing while they are the ones taking care of everything in the home. There are some that even their husbands are living in the same house, but they are irresponsible.
We do that, we work with men also.
No, that's the reason why I said you don't only look into the widows. One thing, when you are going into marriage, you should have 3 weapons. 3 weapons. Number 1 weapon is your education to innovate anything. Number 2 weapon is the ability to take decisions on your own without the man and to plan ahead for the good and the bad. Number 3 weapon is the ability to do things by yourself, be innovative. Don't wait for people to come and train you. Don't wait for people to come and do things for you before you are moved. Move yourself. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I've said a lot of things concerning this topic here to say again. But because we are vulnerable and we have today now we have learned a lot of things. So we must not just take things for granted. So I want to ask my colleagues here, what's a gender-based violence? What do you understand in a layman language? What do you understand by gender violence?
Okay, thank you. My name is Tina Ajoke. So by gender violence, I understand it is all about a harm that affects a woman. And in this aspect, it might be sexual abuse. In a sexual abuse, when a woman is not interested and it results as a rape, I think that it is appropriate and it is called gender violence.
What comes to my mind is when someone is being oppressed, not given right and is not treated on the basis of equality. When what belongs to you, someone is trying to forcefully take it out of you or oppress you in any way. That's what comes to my mind when I hear the word violence.
What struck my mind, number one, was taking what is not your own. When you see that this person is vulnerable, cheating, bullying, yes. When you know that this person doesn't have anybody to fight for, you bully maybe the children or the fellow. Thank you.
As violence is a crime. It's a crime. A crime that is forcing a woman to forcefully do against her will. That is what I understand of violence. Thank you.
So violence is more than sexual abuse. Like what our last speaker said. Even when you talk to each other and you cannot face it, you cannot even face another person. It's also violence. And it can come in any way, even children to children, not only husband and wife alone. Even within siblings, you do happen also.
I present this grilling stove for you to start your business. It's an empowerment for you to stand on your own, and you can feed your family, so you don't start asking for charity. You can on your points.
Use it judiciously. It's not given to you for it to go and sell, because we will actually monitor. Congratulations. I'm making more money. Thank you very much, Aisha. So, we'll present this to you. Please make good use of it so that you can better your business. We will come back next year when we are doing IWD. And you will report to us what you have used this for. Both this and those who are using the boli stuff. You need to let us know how much money, so that maybe you'll be part of those people that will be funding Afolabi Foundation. Congratulations, madam. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ajoke Ayisat Afolabi. Okay. Alright, thank you very much. So pray that you use this to make more businesses and get more people to come and do here. So next year we expect you to tell us how this has been useful. You better track it to so that. Okay. So what do you do, madam? Congratulations. Okay, you give us all smoothie. So when we do this kind of program, that's really good for us. When I need smoothie, I'll call you. Alright? You need to. So thank you very much. Congratulations. Hello. Hi. See this sister, I don't know how many people you have here, but I can give you a blanket for 50 people. Let them come to see. I will invite the business consultants that work with our people to work with them, so that each person will have a business name.
I love it so much, and the many of my customers like it. They like it so much. They like it, I appreciate it. It makes my business to grow very well. It's very easy. I like it more than the one that I'm using before. I pray to God. I pray to God to help me to increase it to the highest level. I pray for them. They will not lack. They will not lack. God will raise everything about them up.
Mommy, the baby shady kini kini make sense. The konima fun straight. To sometimes about ala jami ba ma fe no, mama fe ategun, mama fe blowing. To kini ele tete jino. Mo na customer too ma po. So pe boy mama dúró. So mo kini be ba gbo ansin. Kini mama help won. Mo no mama assist won. Won ma koja won mama yawo mama ye ko ma ta dada. Àwọn àgbàdo won to ma jóná sometimes púpọ̀ yẹn. Koni mama jóná. Everything mama regular.
I love this. This is very beautiful and good idea. Because it makes sense. O jẹ́ kí àgbàdo yẹn look fresh, and then ẹni tó bá ó máa jẹ́ kó máa attract customer, because nǹkan tó ń lò tẹ́lẹ̀ yẹn ó wà stressful.
This one dey easy for me. If I don't put charcoal, I'm okay. It's easy for me. Very nice.
My plans is that I still need more things to add there. Yam, plantain, so that customers will be coming. I will make this thing. I will make stew fish, put everything together. So that customers, the thing will be attracting customers to come. I thank Ajoke Ayisat Afolabi Foundation. They did better things for me. God will bless them. They will never lack. God will anything that they are looking for, God will provide for them in the name of Jesus.
It's really nice and it's better for the business. And I hope if this kind of thing can be circulated for everybody that do this kind of business, I'm sure people will like it, because there are some people that the way they arrange it, they don't like it. But if they see this kind of things, they will be very, very happy. And to be honest, they will feel free to go and get that kind of thing.